Okay, Percy. We'll just need to get our trucks and then be on our way. I'm a bit nervous, Thomas. What's wrong, Percy? Every time I look into that mine that Stephen got trapped in, I get nervous that I might get trapped in there as well. Don't worry, Percy. I'll be here with you. It'll be fine. Um, I'm I'm not so sure. Well, my trucks of old rails are right here, and your trucks of dirt are right here. Oh, uh, where? Right here. Oh, I just couldn't see them behind you. No, that's fine. After you, Percy. Okay, that was suspicious. Like, what could have. Percy! Some of your trucks are gone! What? Sinners and ashes they are! Ah! No! No! Not the rest of my trucks as well! Right. I'm just gonna take these to the scrapyard. You tell Sir Topham Hatt about what's going on. Okay. So you're saying that due to some rumbling at Ulfstead Mines, your trucks disappeared? Yes, sir. Well, you wouldn't be the first engine to tell me about this, Percy. I've had a few reports of similar instances happening regularly. What should I do, sir? I say tell the other engines to keep clear of Ulfstead Mines for now. This kind of investigation requires a deep search and... Oh, bother that telephone. I must tell the other engines. Hello, Harvey. We've brought some new scrap for you. Just leave the trucks there. I'll sort this out. So you see, Nia, the old scrap goes in there. It gets processed, and it'll make something new in the end. Wow! Isn't that like recycling? It is recycling. Ahoy there, shipmates! Here's James! James, what are you doing here? Me and Salty have been told by Thomas and Percy to meet at the scrapyard. Apparently, there'd be other engines here. Thomas, Percy, what's wrong? Well, me and Percy went to Ulfstead Mines to collect our trucks, but after some rumbling, some of Percy's trucks disappeared into the mine. Shiver me timbers! That does sound mysterious. Yeah, I think I found something like that happen to me. Me too. I was asked to collect some stones from the mine, and when I got there, the trucks were gone. Sounds to me like the work of a mine monster. Oh, Salty, bless you. There's no such thing as mine monsters. I got it. What jammed the machine, Harvey? It's just this danger sign. What? I can't understand it. Must have been around for some years. Probably doesn't mean anything now. I wouldn't be so sure. Hang on, I recognize that silhouette. Isn't that Misty Valley? You're right, Nia. That is Misty Valley. Oh, I haven't been there in a long time. There's a story about that. Of course there is. There was one path in Misty Valley that the Fat Controller said was off limits. And he meant it, 'cause no engine has ever gone down that path. But why was that path off limits? Because a building company wanted to make tunnels to connect that side of Sodor to the other. But the project was cancelled because the supports were too weak. What happened then? The same things that happened at the mines, according to you and Percy. You know, missing trucks, the odd rumbling. You don't mean that what Thomas and Percy witnessed also happened in Misty Valley years before they arrived on Sodor? Exactly. This requires a deep search. I'll find Philip. We'll make a plan at the shunting yards. I have a question. Yes, Nia? Do you think whatever's responsible for the things at the mines is also responsible for those things happening at Misty Valley? Now, I don't have the map of Sodor on me, and even if I did, how will any of us see it? But I do know the routes from my mail runs during the night, and I do think Misty Valley and Ulfstead Castle are relatively close. They might be connected. But how? Perhaps through underground tunnels. Exactly. We've got a big adventure coming our way. An adventure? I'd like to join the adventure. What's going on? We'll tell you on the way, Philip. Meet you at the shunting yards.